Hello friends and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour, which I forgot to do on camera, but I set my timer for 1 hour and I'm going to clean and pick up as much as I can throughout this hour. I'm starting with my bed, and being that this is just a regular weekday, no one's coming over, I'm not going to put our decorative pillows up. I'm just going to use the pillows that we need. Also, before I go any further, I wanted to let you know that today's video is in collab with my sweet friend Mia. We met several months ago through Brianna K's YouTube course, and we found out that we actually only live like a half an hour away from each other too. But I love Mia, and I know y'all will love her too. She is absolutely amazing, so sweet, and has some of the most motivating videos and great content all together. And not only is she a YouTube mama, but she also has a skincare line. I've already purchased the lemon honey lip scrub and the lip oil. I actually received it the other day, so I was like, oh my gosh, I have to mention this in today's video. I loved it so much, and what I'll do is I'll actually not only leave a link to her video and her YouTube channel, but I'll also leave a link to her Instagram down below in the description box as well. That way you can also go check out her skincare line if you're interested. There's a link in her bio. Also, I did actually want to mention, this is not sponsored. She didn't even ask me to mention this. I just kind of wanted to share it with y'all, being that I loved it so much. If you're coming here from Mia's channel, hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. I do homemaking style videos such as decorating, organizing, and cleaning motivation, and I would love to have you join my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified for future videos as well, and feel free to say hello in the comments. Alright, so y'all saw I've made the bed, I dusted off the ceiling fans, and I also like to dust off the blinds. This is something that I do regularly. That way, when I do a deep clean, I don't have to add this to the list of things to deep clean. And I kind of like to just move through the house and pick up everything I can throughout the hour.
Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Being that change instead of fighting it, really gonna brighten the night. I'm going to hell and back by doing that. Always gonna be alright. I'm on the edge, not falling. If you're not calling, I'm gonna be just fine. And I guess naturally you might find me 6 feet underground. Oh, oh. And this time I know it's for real. Oh, the feelings that I feel. We got our hands tied up, don't know where these will go. It's a lonely ride and it's taking too long. It's not for everyone, not written in stone. At the end of this, we're coming out strong. Let's hear it. And this time I know it's for real. The feelings that I feel. Being that change instead of fighting it, really gonna brighten the night. I'm going to hell and back by doing that. Always gonna be alright. I'm on the edge, not falling. If you're not calling, I'm gonna be just fine. And I guess guess naturally you might find me 6 feet underground. Oh, and this time I know it's for real. Oh, the feelings that I feel.
Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here really quick and share with you this really cool find. It's called a baseboard buddy, and as you can see, I'm gonna hold this. You can turn this any way you'd like, just to make it easier for you to clean your baseboards. This really is not in need, but it is a cool little find. I actually, when I used it at first, I was like, you know what, why did I even get this? I have my Swiffer that extends about 6 feet as well, but this actually has a curve. I don't know if you can see. It has a curve so that it gets the top of the baseboard and just the entire baseboard. I don't know how much it was, I forgot. Maybe it was like $10, $20, somewhere between $10 and $20. If I can find this, I found it on Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it in my description box below. But if not, like I said, it's just called the Baseboard Buddy, and I found it on Amazon. So I'm just gonna kind of show you how it works. So basically all I'm doing is I'm just taking it, and because it curves, it makes it really easy to just swipe back and forth. And you could probably spray this cloth. It comes with 2 other cloths. Or wetten it with a little bit of water, or you can just keep it dry if you're trying to do some dusting.
For a player, you don't know them.
Okay, so I pretty much have everything in this house clean. Our bathrooms are clean. Even our front living room and dining room is clean, which, speaking of, the reason why you really never see me clean my front living room and dining room is because all I ever do is vacuum and dust. And I'm like, I don't know if that's really interesting, but if y'all want to see me include that in some of my videos, I'll definitely move along the camera with me whenever I do dust and vacuum the front living room and dining room. Just, yeah, let me know in the comments below if that's something that you're even interested in. But like I was saying, I just finished wiping down the table, and everything in this house is pretty much clean, except I need to go through my refrigerator and I have got to reorganize it. All right, y'all, no judgment zone. So, okay, today was trash day, so I already went through things to see if they were expired, because we roll the trash out the night before. So last night I had just kind of taken anything out that was just trash. And I also went grocery shopping yesterday, so I just shoved everything in. So I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up and hopefully give you some motivation and inspiration to get your refrigerator clean and organized. Also, go ahead and feel free. I'll put some music on and you can organize with me.
Burning with desire. You sure know how to set a girl on fire. I'm not calling you a liar. Honestly, I'm just so tired. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like
Y'all, sometimes I feel like I always do this. I feel like something's gonna take me like 30 minutes and it takes me like 5. So, all right. I even went in here and organized the cheese drawer, and all I did was just kind of stuff my veggies in there. But like I said, I'm going to go online tonight and see if I can find some containers to really get in here, not only make it look nice, but extremely functional and extremely easy to take inventory. So be on a lookout for that video. As for today, I'm extremely satisfied with this fridge, and I have a few minutes left over of my power hour. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to relax. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as it helps my channel out so much, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to head over to Mia Simone's channel, as she's doing a power hour as well. So we got you covered on some double motivation today. And don't forget to let her know that I sent you. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. See you next time.
Really gonna brighten the night. I'm going to hell and back by doing that. Always gonna be alright. I'm on the edge, not falling. If you're not calling, I'm gonna be just fine. And I guess naturally you might find me 6 feet under.